Keep going. Go.
Where's the door to this place?
I don't know.
Right here, it's right here.
Am I recording?
Go right around. Yep.
There's one right here, right?
Yeah, I see him. One made it past the fourth.
I know. Alright, cover that window.
I got it.
By the tree.
I see him. I'm watching the fort.
I got the tree.
Oh, I got one. Chris.
Watch it, watch it, watch it. I got him, I got him, I got him.
Watch out for the guy in the tree.
Come, switch with me, switch with me. Switch.
I have an angle.
Dang, I got it.
Watch out. Just leave the gun away.
Oh,
Don't shoot me, Lyle.
I know. God, dude, they gave us like no time to lock and load.
Quiet.
What's up? Alright, Chris, let me in. Whoa, never mind, Birdie.
Where's that coming?
I have no idea.
To the right, like the guy by the tree.
Hold on, let me get... Are there any to our right ahead of you?
you got guys moving up on the left.
No, he's hit to the right.
Why? Watch your left going.
What?
There's nobody over there.
That's, no, they're getting shot. We have guys moving up. You see them right here?
There's nobody over there. Oh, and those are our guys. They're moving up.
No, it's moving up.
No, they can flank around that way. Chris, you see people?
They're moving up. Dying blue.
That guy just got medic. Do you see him behind there? Oh, how do we not hit him? Birdie, you've got a guy, Birdie. They don't even know you're there. Ready? Pop out. 3.
One set.
See, oh, he's hit. He's hit.
Okay, we're good. I like it on semi better.
Yeah, I know.
Tell you the truth.
I'm in, hey.
Yeah.
Oh, and is my GoPro still straight? I bumped
I know,
it like
we hit
crap.
I know, but there's another one now.
Where? Okay, I see. They're in the fort again.
The green one? Yeah, there they are. Birdie's coming out.
Okay. Hurry up. There's guys
Brody,
to the
see this
right.
green fort? You
There's
guys
guys to the right,
shooting at?
too.
What about that green fort to the right?
They're in them. Hold on.
They're too far. I can't. Birdie, shoot through the window.
Moving out. Shoot him.
He's hit. He's hit in the fort. He's good.
Oh, crap. We got more to the right. Sharper angle. Going full. No, there's a guy coming out to the right.
There he is. Far right. Look. Okay, we got him. He's hit.
Is that guy in the middle hit?
The two on the right are hit.
Okay.
Wanna move up?
Where's Birdie doing? I think so.
My two, what I can see, they're hit. There's somebody behind the green fort yet. I don't know if he's hit or not.
Well, should we shoot?
There's two of them by the green fort. I can't tell. He's hit.
What? What?
Where's this tree?
What tree? I can't see.
Is that our guy?
Yeah.
Good, let's move up then. Let's move out.
Go. Come on, go. No.
I got something.
Yeah, they're all green.
Hey, move up, go. You're hit. He's hit, go. Alright, we're fine.
Where's the needle?
The orange one?
Oh, they see us. Guy back there sees us. Chris, let's go.
Hold position.
Are you gonna put the thing on the needle?
What? No, we need things that it's not a yellow.
What? Brody's got it. What? Chris, let's go. Oh.
Oh, the medic's down. We're good.
Wow.
Oh, baby. Chris! Chris! Where is he? Bro! Where's Chris?
Let's go do this Reddit joke.
Well, they screwed it up. They're trying to fix it quick.
Are we in a ceasefire? Chris!
You still recording? Still recording. No, we're good.
What's going on?
I'm pretty sure we killed them all.
What building? Alright. I don't know where Chris is.
Go.
We're all red. I guess the other was mistaken. You killed them all. I mean, man, I thought you were yellow. Hey, guys.
Where's is this hostile place?
Wait, what are we doing now? I don't know. This entire area is hostile.
Well, second mission's the flags. But I don't think we got on the needles
What does it
yet.
look like? It's the
Well, that was pretty.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah, but our color wasn't in the box. Whoa.
So we're not even rolling the whole green. Guys, just push left.
Well, that's pretty quick.
Well, I don't understand what we're doing now.
We're looking for needles.
Where the flag things at?
Chris, what's going on? What's going on?
We need the flag. We gotta get the flag.
Where are they?
I don't know.
We gotta find them?
Yeah.
Yo, what if the rest of them are?
Hold this.
I thought they're down at their base.
They are.
Who?
Hey guys, ceasefire. Start back at your starting points. We're gonna rerun it. Okay, guys. Everything. Guys, screwed it all up. Go back to your starting point.
Did he say we screwed it all up?
The boxes only had yellow strings in them.
Yeah.
Man, we were doing good too. Hey, same plan.
They all went left.
Yo, this gun sucks.
God, they said lock and load, and then now some people are running.
What? You want to get that?
Chris,
You have the other battery?
Can we find the other needles? I only saw this one.
I think they weren't there or they weren't set up right, because that's why we were starting.
Green. Yeah, don't get one of the blue.
Does anybody know where our flag is?
In their base, probably.
So,
Because their flags were in the castle, I
Where's
think.
our flag?
In their base, Castle Heights down there.
4 needles.
We need to know where to protect our flag at too. Then.
Well, we like slaughtered them going down there. Hey, everyone do the same thing. Man, they weren't even trying, dude.
It dropped it away. It's shooting.
I see that right now. We're done.
They were like, shit.
They were like, no, we're done.
Oh, I see it. I walked in, there's like 6 yellow guys ahead. I'm
I
like,
didn't know our whole team was back there, so I'm shooting them, and they're like, no, we're ready. I was like, we're ready? Yeah, I'm shooting.
we're already back.
Hey, same plan.
You know what? They all went left.
Is it still going?
It's just sitting in here in the center on the table. So
Yeah, that's ours.
right. So if the needles get captured, that's where we got to come back to protect.
So what color flag are we putting on the needles? Our color or theirs?
Take our flag. Our flag, right, Doug? That way.
Our flag is in their base.
Okay. Yeah.
You gotta capture the needles first.
Yeah, there's a little box there with strings.
But was there no red string?
There's only yellow.
What?
There's only yellow. That's what
Oh.
screwed it up. We didn't have any red.
Is that why the ref? Did he say he screwed it up or we screwed it up? Is that? Hey, that was nice. We were right down. Let's try to get farther. Birdie, same building. Yeah, go to the same
I
building.
hate being medics. You guys always tell me to stay back. I hate staying back.
Don't stay back if you don't want to.
No, I stay with you, but like, I can never go first.
Go, run.
Yeah, no.
That's exactly what happened. I put the mag in and they were like, go. And I'm like,
We're still
And we
recording.
still got there before they did.